Hey lovelies, welcome to Bleny Allures. Welcome to another tutorial. I'll be teaching you how to make this cone sleeve, the easiest way to make this cone sleeve. So please stay to the end of this video. Thank you, my old subscriber. Thank you for clicking on the subscribe button. Please, if you are viewing my channel for the first time or you have been viewing my channel, please go and click on the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. And do well to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. You can as well share the link of this video on your social media platform, your WhatsApp status, your Facebook page. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, please, and drop your comment in the comment section. I would love to see your finished work, so you can share it with me on Bleny Allures on Instagram, Bleny Allures on my Facebook page also. So please go and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because I post video every week on this channel, useful videos that will help you through your fashion journey. So please go and click on the subscribe button. So I folded my fabric into 4 as shown in the video, and I went ahead to give it a good press. The next thing to do now is to, at the apex of the cloth that I've folded, I'm just going to go ahead and measure 8.5 inches. I'm going to use half inches to sew it. So half inch is my sewing allowance. So it depends on how big you want your cone to look like. So, but my cone, I just want it 8. 8 is okay for me. So go ahead and measure the desired length on your fabric. So I'll go ahead and measure it as shown in the video. On every angle you point it out to measure the 8.5. So go ahead and connect the dot that you've impressed on the cloth before. So you go ahead and connect the dots to form a circle. So you can see, so go ahead and also check if the measurement is correct. So I'll cut it out. After cross-checking that it is correct, you can go ahead and cut it off. Then also fold it to know if each side is equal. If it's not equal, you can go ahead and trim off the excesses. You can see how it looks when I open it. It's on 2 now. So I'll go ahead and slit it at the middle. You can see I form out a circle. So I'll go ahead and slit it at the middle. Whichever way you want, just ensure you slit it at the middle. So I will do that quickly and tell you what next to do. It's a very easy sleeve to make. So please stay to the end of the tutorial so that you'll be able to make yours. So I have gone ahead to cut this off. And look at how it looks after cutting it. It's a semicircle now. So the next thing to do, I'm just going to go ahead and use my gum stay. I'm going to iron it on one side of the cone. You can iron it on both sides, just depend on how strong you want your cone to look like. But I'm just going to iron it on one side. So you can iron yours on 2 sides if you want your cone to be very, very strong. So I've ironed it on it. You can see how it looks after I've ironed it on one side. So I'll go ahead and place the other half circle on this other one that I've ironed gum stay on. So you can use collar stay, you can use peplum stay, you can use canvas. So I'll go ahead and sew the half circle together. So I have sewn it. You can see how it looks. So I've sewn that, notch the edges where I've sewn. So I'll notch the edges. So in case you don't want these rough edges to show, just sew that other straight part, then leave like 2 inches where you use in turning it. But mine, I didn't sew that. So I'll go ahead and notch the bottom of the circle. I'll go ahead and notch it all around. That's how I'm going to notch it all around. So it will enable me to turn it well, and after turning it, it will sit well. So I have turned it. You can see how it looks. I'll go ahead and give it a good press. Ensure that you iron it very well. So I've ironed it. So the next thing, I folded it into 2. I'm going to go ahead and sew it straight to that apex as I've demonstrated. So go to your sewing machine and do that. So I have done that. You can see how it looks, and I trimmed off the excess fabric on it. So go ahead and trim yours. So I'll turn it now. So after turning it, I'll make sure that I bring out this apex. So I'm going to use any sharp object. So I will use my scissors to bring out the apex very well so that it will really look like cone. So if the scissors cannot do it well, I'm going to pick pencil or any other, maybe screwdriver, to bring out that edge so that it will come out really, really good. You can see how it looks very, very beautiful. So now I'm going to give it a good press. So go ahead and iron yours. After turning at the apex very well, I'll go ahead and iron it very well on it. You can see how it looks. It's really, really, really beautiful. So I will teach you how to place it on the sleeve right now. So I've put it on the sleeve. I just went ahead to use hand needle to tack it on the top of the sleeve as shown there. Just tack it there, just at the top to your sleeve. That's all. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.